Can you make even one English sentence without a noun? No person, no place, no thing. Then how will you speak? Today we are learning the first and one of the most important parts of speech, noun. Namaste. Today we are starting a very important grammar series, parts of speech. Parts of speech help us speak and write English correctly. And today we are learning lesson 1, noun. Okay. Do you know? We use nouns every day while speaking English. Your name, your school, your city, your book. All are nouns. That is why nouns are very important for spoken English and sentence making. Okay. So, what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Okay? You see the chart. For example, person. We can say Riya, Rahul, teacher. These are the persons' names. Okay? Now see the place. School, Assam, market, Mumbai. These are what? Place, isn't it? An animal, dog, cat, tiger, or birds, parrot, pigeon, peacock. Okay? Now thing. Things are book, pencil, mobile, eraser, pen. Okay, these are what? These are things' name. Isn't it? Names of people are nouns. For example, Riya, Rahul, teacher. These are what? Names of people. These are nouns. Okay. Names of places are also nouns. Like school, Assam, market, Mumbai. These are what? Names of places. These are nouns. Now come to next. Names of animals, birds. These are what? Nouns. Dog, cat, tiger, peacock, parrot, sparrow. These are what? These are names of animals and birds. These are nouns. Okay. Names of things. Names of things are also nouns. Like book, pen, mobile, pencil, eraser, tiffin box, water bottle. These are what? Names of things. So these are nouns. Okay? Can we speak without naming people, places, animals or things? Very difficult. That is why nouns are everywhere in English. Now identify the nouns with me. Riya is reading a book. So here you have to identify the nouns. What are the nouns? Riya is a noun and book is a noun. Okay. In sentence 2, the dog is playing in the garden. So what are the nouns? Dog. Dog is a noun and garden is a noun. In sentence 3, Rahul goes to school. What are the nouns here? Rahul is a noun and school is a noun. Very good. Nouns are important because they help us make sentences. They improve spoken English. They improve writing skills. They make communication meaningful. Okay? So now your turn. You have to write one noun of a person, one noun of a place, one noun of an animal, one noun of a thing. Write your answers in comments. Okay? English grammar becomes easy when we learn step by step. Okay? Small daily learning creates big improvement. Right? In the next lesson, we will learn another interesting part of speech. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Okay? Bye bye. Namaste.